Do you feel the vibes?
In place of the Elantra GT Sport's 201 horsepower, 195 pound-ft, 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, the i30N Performance is powered by a 2.0-liter turbo Ford that develops 271 horsepower at 6,000 RPMs, with 260 pounds-ft of torque on tap from 1,500 RPMs through 4,700 RPMs and another 18 pounds-ft available via an 18-second full-throttle overboost function. The engine drives the front wheels through a beefed-up version of Hyundai's own 6-speed manual transmission and an electronically controlled limited-slip differential. There is an entry-level N version available that makes do with 247 horsepower, plus smaller wheels, tires, and brakes and misses out on the performance model's trick-e-diff, among other things. The suspension layout is the same as the Elantra GT but features heavy-duty components such as redesigned steering knuckles, plus new springs and electronically controlled shocks, and the ride height has been lowered. The Elantra GT's EPS system has been replaced by a more robust setup with the e-motor mounted on the rack rather than the steering column to improve response and sensitivity. Other changes include the adoption of bigger brakes, with 13.6-inch rotors up front and 12.4-inch units at the rear, at 19-inch alloy wheels fitted with 235/35P0 tires developed specifically by Pirelli for the i30N Performance. N Performance prototypes underwent 6,000 miles of durability testing on the Nürburgring Nordschleife, equivalent to almost 120,000 miles of hard, real-world road driving, says Hyundai, and twice competed in the grueling 24-hour race on the Green Hell. That level of experience is reflected in detailed touches such as the bar across the body behind the rear seats to improve body rigidity and the large vents in the redesigned front bumper to help cool the brakes. So confident is Hyundai of the car's durability that Hyundai UK is promising to honor its regular 5-year, unlimited mileage mechanical warranty even if you take the i30N Performance on the track. The engine delivers a smooth, linear surge of acceleration through the gears. It's not a high-revving power plant, everything's done and dusted by 6,200 RPMs, but it doesn't need to be because you can luxuriate in that broad swath of mid-range torque. Hyundai claims the i30N Performance will accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in about 6.0 seconds, en route to a top speed of 155 mph. For perspective, that 0 to 60 time is right on a PDK-equipped, 210 horsepower Golf GTI, still in many ways a segment benchmark. The 306 horsepower Civic Type R, the best front-drive hot hatch in the world right now, is a mere 0.2 of a second quicker to 60 mph and 13 mph faster.